alaikum. Good morning, dear students of modern criticism. Now, we know that we started with the first literary theory, Marxism. We tried in the first lecture to talk about the main ideas, the main definition, let's say, the main traits of this school or of this literary or critical theory. Our goal in this course is to, let's say, clarify the relation between Marxism and literature. This is the goal, this is the fruitful result. Since you are a literature student, you must know the relation between the critical schools and literary works. First of all, we will see how can I apply the idea of Marxism, the Marxist views, to literature. Now, if we look here, we will see, let's say, a conclusion or a very important idea about how can I apply Marxism on literature. A Marxist critic concerned with literary texts will be to examine the narrative and characters' ways of getting and keeping economic power. So we can notice here that Marxism deals with the economic power, deals with the everything related to the economic power. So they said that they examine what, or to examine what? To examine the narrative and characters' ways of getting and keeping economic power is the motive behind all the social and political activities. So, as we said before in the lectures, that Marxism's or the main goal of this school is to see the power of materialism, the power of socio-economic background of the literary atmosphere. This is the most important thing in studying literature. Also, here we have a Marxist analysis of a text will explore the ways in which the ruling influencers of society can be said to oppress the lower class in some shape or form, while acting with their own interest. This includes the act of commodification and exploitation of the labor of working class. So we can conclude from the first video for this week that if I want to study literature through the Marxist view, I have to examine the economic power and the different factors that, let's say, build the character. Thank you for listening. And this was the first video, how can I apply Marxism on literature. Thank you and see you on the next video.